300%. That is the annual turnover rate in the US cleaning industry. Some agencies replace their entire staff 4 times a year. So let's be honest about what we know and what we don't. The Tesla Optimus robot is real. Elon Musk demonstrated it at the We Robot event in October 2024. He said the target price on the record, quote, long-term, $20,000 to $30,000, less than a car. In January 2025, on the Q4 earnings call, he clarified the split. Production cost below $20,000 at 1 million units a year, retail price set by the market. Does that mean a Tesla bot is going to walk into your kitchen next Tuesday and take over from Maria, who has been cleaning your house for 6 years? No. Public sales are not expected until end of 2027 at the earliest. Unsupervised autonomous cleaning at human quality level is not a 2026 reality. But here is where the math starts getting interesting. The Norwegian company 1X, backed by OpenAI, is already accepting pre-orders for their Neo Home robot at $20,000, or $499 a month on a lease. Deliveries in the third quarter of this year. The consumer household robot at that price point isn't hypothetical anymore. Someone is shipping one. Let us walk through why this matters. The US residential cleaning industry is a $60 billion a year business. The global paid domestic work economy is over $400 billion. National average hourly rate for a cleaner ranges from $25 to $90. A typical weekly cleaning of a 2- or 3-bedroom home costs between $120 and $280 a visit. A quarterly deep clean adds another $200 to $500. Now do the math the way your household actually experiences it. A middle-class family paying $200 a week for standard cleaning is spending $10,400 a year. Over 10 years, that is $104,000. Over 20 years, $208,000. And that is the flatline calculation. No price hikes, no holiday tips, no quarterly deep cleanup charges. The real number is meaningfully higher. And if you try to do it the right way, hire a legal household employee, W-2 them, do the paperwork, you hit the 2026 nanny tax. Over $3,000 in wages triggers FICA obligations. Federal unemployment tax kicks in at $1,000 in any calendar quarter. Schedule H filings, W-2s by February. It is a bureaucratic wall so high that most American families quietly give up and pay cash. Meanwhile, on the other side of the transaction, the industry is grinding down. Annual employee turnover in residential cleaning runs from a baseline of 59% up to 300% or 400% at the worst run agencies. A cleaner who leaves costs the agency around $1,000 in recruiting. If you are hiring independently, you eat that cost yourself. In time, in interviews, in retraining somebody new on where you keep the vacuum bags and how the dog reacts to strangers. So imagine, for a second, Tuesday morning. No frantic 5:30 a.m. pre-clean where the whole family runs around picking up toys and throwing dishes in the sink so the cleaner can actually get to the surfaces. No cash left on the counter. No key hidden under the flower pot. No calendar reminder that says, "Housekeeper, put the dog in the bedroom." The robot is already there. Same one as last Tuesday. Same one as next Tuesday. It ran a 30-minute tidying cycle at 2 a.m. while the house slept. Loaded the breakfast dishes at 9 a.m. after everyone left. Ran a vacuum through the living room. Started laundry at 3. Folded a load at 5. Imagine the house never being dirty. Not once a week. Continuously. The compounding benefit of small tasks done constantly instead of a Tuesday burst that has to hold you for 7 days. The mental load of managing a stranger inside your private space, just gone. Imagine finally being able to hire the right kind of household support for the modern 2-career American family. Not a person you have to interview, train, and re-interview every 18 months. An asset that shows up every day, forever. Now, we have to be honest. Tesla isn't alone in this race. The household robot lane got crowded fast. 1X Neo is the closest and most direct threat. 66 pounds, half the weight of Optimus. Soft fabric shell. Tendon-driven mechanics designed to be pinch-proof around humans. Pre-orders open right now at $20,000 or $499 a month. Figure AI's Figure 03 sits at the enterprise tier, $130,000, with the Helix Vision language action model powering advanced dexterity. Unitree from China is shipping the G1 base model for $13,500. Sub $20,000 bipedal hardware is not theoretical. It is on shelves right now. And the traditional appliance giants are pivoting hard. At CES 2026, LG debuted the CLOID, a two-armed home robot that took milk out of a fridge and folded a towel. Samsung is heavily promoting its zero-labor home concept. The consumer tech industry has decided this is the next frontier. Here is where Tesla, if it executes, wins the whole space. LG's CLOID is wheeled, so is Roomba, so is most of what will ship in the next 2 years. Wheels are cheaper and safer, but wheels cannot go upstairs. Wheels cannot step over a threshold. Wheels cannot clean behind a dining chair in a real family home. Optimus, if it works as promised, walks. That is the category leap that justifies the bipedal complexity. Okay, slow down. We owe you the reality check. Doubt 1. Are the demos even real? At the We Robot event in October 2024, Optimus units served drinks and interacted with guests. It looked incredible. It later came out that those robots were being remotely piloted by humans in motion capture suits stationed off-site. Milan Kovac, who led the Optimus program before his departure in June 2025, admitted the robots were human-assisted to some extent. Then, in December 2025 in Miami, an Optimus unit fell backward, while making a distinctive hand gesture exactly like a human operator removing a VR headset. That is Teleoperation. The counter. Tesla just raised 2026 capex to $25 billion. The AI-5 inference chip is running roughly 5 times the compute of AI-4. Fremont's Model S and X lines were shut down and dismantled in May 2026 to install a first-generation Optimus production line, 1 million units a year. Gigafactory Texas is a 5.2 million square foot Optimus factory build-out. The autonomy gap is closing quarter by quarter. But today, full unsupervised cleaning in a real cluttered home is still aspirational. Doubt 2. This is a 125-pound metal machine. Kids, dogs, cats, glass coffee tables. The Miami Fall video is not hypothetical. A 125-pound bipedal machine hitting a toddler or a sleeping golden retriever is a genuine civic liability issue. One X Neo is deliberately 66 pounds and wrapped in soft fabric for exactly this reason. The physics matter. The counter is that home deployment will almost certainly launch supervised or under specific compatibility guidelines for family configurations. Tesla is not going to ship an unsupervised bipedal robot into a house with a 2-year-old on day 1. Full family-safe deployment probably runs 2 to 4 years past initial consumer availability. That is a real limitation. Doubt 3. The $20,000 sticker is very likely not the real long-term cost. FSD is a subscription. Grok is going to be a subscription. It is entirely plausible the AI orchestration layer running Optimus will require a monthly SaaS fee. Add actuator replacement, sensor repairs, and general wear on a machine doing physical labor 8 hours a day, and the one-time $20,000 becomes an annual budget line item. Real. But even at $50 a month plus $1,000 a year in maintenance, the 10-year all-in stays around $35,000, against $104,000 for a human housekeeper. The math still wins by a lot. This story is bigger than a robot. What we are watching is the beginning of the end of one of the oldest labor categories in human civilization, paid domestic help, and the beginning of something the tech industry is now calling the zero-labor home. For centuries, keeping a large, pristine, well-run household required a staff of specialized humans: cooks, maids, valets, butlers, governesses. The kind of life you saw depicted in Downton Abbey. A great estate ran on 20 or 30 people quietly doing invisible work so the family upstairs could live a certain kind of life. That world ended in the 20th century. Wages rose. The private household staff became a luxury only the ultra-rich could afford. The modern American middle-class family has been running its house on essentially no staff since the 1970s. 2 parents working full-time, kids in school, dishes piling up. A weekly cleaner if you can afford it. But that cleaner is not enough, and everyone knows it. That has been the arrangement for 50 years. And it has been quietly grinding down American families the whole time. A capable, tireless, autonomous household robot changes that. Not for the ultra-rich, for the middle class. This is the democratization of the Downton Abbey house staff. Aristocratic levels of domestic support for families that have been running on empty for a generation. And the cultural anchor for what this actually looks like has been sitting there since 1962. Rosie the robot. From the Jetsons. That was the promise. A robot maid who was part of the household, ran the routines, handled the drudgery, and freed the family to do the higher-order work of living. Every generation since has been waiting for Rosie, and she is finally coming down off the animation cell and into the actual living room. So we want to hear from you. Drop it in the comments. What are you spending on cleaning right now? How many housekeepers have rotated through your home in the last 5 years? Would you finance a $20,000 robot if it meant never having to interview a cleaner again? Some of you are going to shock the rest of us with the numbers. If this is the kind of analysis you want more of, the kind that does the household math, addresses the Teleoperation controversy without flinching, and tells you the truth, there is a button right below this video that costs you nothing and helps us keep doing this work. Join our family by subscribing to the channel, and then forward this video to one person in your life who has been quietly complaining about their cleaning bill or their last 3 no-show housekeepers. They need to see this coming. Until next time, take care, stay safe, and God bless.